This video is going to show you how to make a proposal on OpenChat DAO. If you're new on this slice, don't forget to subscribe because we have more slices with stuff like this, stuff ICP, stuff BTC, Ethereum, and all of that blockchain technologies. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can make a proposal on OpenChat DAO, and at the same time, we want to show you how we're going to make a proposal. We're going to make an actual proposal. And so let's get into it. Recently, a proposal was made about OpenChat airdrop, the chat token, and that was like airdropping 1 million chat token to Diamond members. And some people were like, oh no, this is too small, so if we check the comment section over here, people are saying, nah, too small, you should make it better, this is not fair, and stuff like that. That was interesting. Anyway, so we're gonna try something interesting. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to make a proposal by actually making a proposal, and we want to increase the chat token from 1 million to 2 million. So let's try that, see what the community thinks, see if people are gonna vote for it or not. Let's check it out. So let's go, guys, let's go. To make a proposal, first we want to go to IC Lighthouse. That is the IC Dex. It's the famous one on the internet computer. Once there, you want to click on IC SNS right here, and then proposals. Now we have options to make proposal with chat or SNS1. SNS1 is the first DAO on the internet computer, and the second right now is chat. We're gonna have more later, but for now, these are the two. So if you want to make a proposal with SNS1, you click on that, or chat, you click on that, and then it opens up this page right here. And here you're gonna see some proposals that are, that are already executed or open. And right here you would see a test proposal that I made. I wasn't sure how it works. I just did it, and then once I submitted, I thought I was gonna go to another process, and then the thing just went through and it's actually being voted on OpenChat. And let's see, it's just a test proposal saying test high, and then people are like, no, it's just 0.08%. that was totally not planned, just random. It was just a test, and then it went through. Anyway, so let's make a real proposal. To do that, let's do make proposal. Now we want a title for it. So what do we say? Let's say 2 million airdrop to Diamond users. So what we're saying is just want to modify it to 2 million instead of 1 million, since some people are complaining 1 million is too tiny, and then worst of all, they're gonna stick it in a neuron for 1 year. So let's make it 2 million, see if it works. The action is like what happens when the proposal passes. And we have, this is really interesting, I see Lighthouse made things really easy, making proposals, and there are a lot of stuff you can do, right? But what we want to do right here is do a motion. This is a motion proposal. And so what do we see here? We say modify airdrop amount from 1 million chat tokens to 2 million chat tokens. Okay, so this what we want. Want to see if the community is gonna accept this, and if they do, the devs, they have no option but to modify the amount to 2 million. So we want to write a little bit something here if we like. So let's just write a little bit something here to explain more. Some people I would say many people, some people have complained about the amount of chat tokens to be airdrop. People think it's too small and that the devs, that's what someone said, devs need to be fair or generous. This proposal is for the amount of airdrop to be modified to 2 million chat tokens. Okay, let's leave it at that. So this is just a text to say more about this proposal, and URL is just a website. If you have more information somewhere, this is just a website where you can it's optional actually, but I don't know, let me see. Okay, I think I want to put my YouTube channel right here. You know, I want people on my YouTube channel, people who are interested in my content to subscribe. So I'm just gonna use the opportunity. Yeah, I don't care, I'm just gonna use it. Just gonna do that, copy my channel, and then let's see, where were we? And this proposal is made by my channel, my slides, info, subscribe here to stay updated. So I'm gonna put my link right here. Yeah, and then I'll probably leave a link right here too. Here, okay. Yeah, you guys can see I'm selfish. This is for my channel. I don't care. All right, let's go, guys. This is really excited. I'm feeling really excited. I've never done this before, so it's really exciting. So here is just how you can make a proposal. So what are we doing exactly? We're showing you how to make a proposal, and at the same time making a proposal about the airdrop on OpenChat, which was announced to Diamond members. If it passes, then the devs have no option but to modify it. This is a motion proposal. Now let's go, guys. I think this is set. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Let's look at it again. That's 2 million right here. Let's add something here. Modify. Airdrop amount to 2 million. Diamond users. Yeah, that is clearer. I think that is clearer. All right. Let me see what else. I think it's good to go. So let's execute, make proposal. Okay, let's do that. See if it works. Done, guys. Make proposal success. So the proposal is live. You can see it right here. Modify airdrop amount to 2 million chat tokens for diamond users. Amazing. I feel so excited about this. Amazing. So this passed. Now we're gonna see people vote on OpenChat or IC Lighthouse, or yeah, these are the main places for now. If we go to OpenChat, let's see if it updates over here. So this is interesting, it's a community decision, it's not something that is up, but I mean, the choice is not only that of the devs, but the community members can actually, decide or make proposals about what they want to happen, especially related to the airdrop. So that's what I've just done in this proposal. We're gonna see if it passes or not. This is pretty exciting. I just thought about this because when this came out, people complain and they're asking the devs to change it, but actually they didn't think that's something they could do themselves. Like, they could actually make that proposal themselves, because this is OpenChat DAO. It means anybody can make a proposal, and this right here is a motion proposal. So that's it on this video about proposal, how to make a proposal. You can see that IC Lighthouse made it really easy to make a proposal, and there's so many things you get, like many options when making a proposal. It's been simplified on this IC DEX, simplified a lot. That's exactly how it works. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if this actually passes. We're gonna have an update on that very soon. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, share, like, whatever you can do to support us so we can keep bringing you more slices. See you again in another slice.